And so here we have our decrement speed function. First, we need to push all the registers that we use to stack. And then from there, we can disable all interrupts because we called an interrupt, so we want to prevent any queuing or nested queues. And then once we're in the actual function, we can check if our counter register is at 0 to display the current speed out of 16. So if it's at 0, we can exit early. And to show that functionality here, we just exit early by clearing the interrupts queue and just re-enabling interrupts and popping everything from the stack. But if it's not 0, we can continue decreasing by subtracting 17 from these two registers that make up the top portion of the timer/counter 1. And after that, we can decrease the actual counter register and display it on port B with the 3 through 0 bits. And then moving on to our next function, it's max speed, also pushing the same registers that we're going to use. And then we can also disable interrupts. And then here we want to set these two top registers for the counter to be set to 255 to set the speed to maximum speed. And then we want to set the counter to 15 and display it to set it to the maximum number. And then after it's set, we can call the wait function to prevent any queued inputs from the buttons. And then after this, we can clear the queue of interrupts and then re-enable the interrupts. And then here is just our basic wait routine from previous labs using the bump bot. And then to demonstrate the decrease and the maximum speed functions, here we can decrease by using this button. Or rather, this button. I don't know. But to demonstrate our maximum speed and decrease functions, here we can press this button to activate our maximum speed. And then from here, we can use this button to decrease our speed. And as we use it, we're going to see that it decreases the count on the right. And if we keep decreasing it, it will go below 0 with this count. And it doesn't progress past that. And the light goes out.